Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity to discuss a sneaky type of cyber attack known as the evil twin attack. Stick around to learn what it is and, more importantly, how you can protect yourself from it. So what exactly is an evil twin attack? Imagine you're at your favorite cafe and you see a familiar Wi-Fi network name, but here's the catch. It's not the real network. Instead, it's a malicious look-alike created by a hacker to trick you into connecting to it. Once connected, they can intercept your data, steal personal information, and even inject malware into your device. Hackers set up these fake networks to lure unsuspecting users. When you connect, they can see everything you're doing online, from browsing history to login credentials. It's like giving a thief the keys to your digital life. Now that we know what an evil twin attack is, let's talk about how to avoid falling victim to one. Scene transition tip 1, verify network names. Host, tip 1, always verify the network name. If you're in a public place, ask a staff member for the correct Wi-Fi name before connecting. Scene transition tip 2, use VPN. Host, tip 2, use a VPN. A virtual private network encrypts your internet connection, making it much harder for attackers to intercept your data. Scene transition tip 3, disable auto-connect. Host, tip 3, disable auto-connect. Make sure your devices don't automatically connect to available networks. This gives you control over which networks you join. Host, tip 4, keep your software and security patches up to date. This helps protect your device from vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Host, tip 5, look for HTTPS in the URL. Websites with HTTPS use encryption to protect your data, adding an extra layer of security. Host. To recap, an evil twin attack is a type of cyber attack where a hacker sets up a fake Wi-Fi network to steal your data. To protect yourself, always verify network names, use a VPN, disable auto-connect, keep your software updated, and look for HTTPS. Host, and that's it for today's video. Stay safe out there and protect your data. If you want me to show how to do this attack, comment full video below. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others stay informed. Until next time, stay secure.